Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a basic photo into a moody urban streetwear masterpiece using Gemini AI. Let's go from simple to cinematic. First, open Gemini AI on your browser. Upload your normal photo. Any clear shot works best, especially one with a plain background. Make sure your face and outfit are visible. Now, here comes the magic part, the prompt. Type this in the chat. Transform this photo into a moody urban streetwear look. Model in streetwear leaning against a graffiti wall, dim alley lighting, teal-orange tone, cinematic shadows, film grain texture, ultra-realistic 8K portrait. Gemini will take a few seconds. And boom! Your normal picture now looks like a magazine cover, dark, stylish, and full of attitude. That's the moody urban streetwear vibe right there. Finally, download your photo and crop it to Instagram size. 4:5 ratio looks best. Add a subtle filter for consistency, and you're ready to post. And that's how easily you can turn a simple photo into a cinematic moody streetwear edit using Gemini AI.